Hey, my jazzy people. So, as you can see, I am just full of the spirit. I am so happy. Let me show you why. This is where I started before I started really doing research and taking care of my skin. It was so packed up with bumps and scars, and I just did not like it. I didn't feel good about taking pictures or anything. So, I started a skincare regimen. Now, it works for me. And this is how it started to look. This was actually a hair photo, and people started complimenting my skin because people around me knew how bad my skin was. They knew how bad my skin was. People that saw me all the time. This was a comparison video I did for the Ordinary products, which turned out pretty good. So I started to dance when I started to do my skincare. So I'm showing you what I have on my face now, which is an acne mask. And I will leave that link below. So, you guys, I do want to take a moment to say I am not a dermatologist. This is not medical advice. This is what works for me. Okay, so I started off with the mask. Now, I put the mask on after I wash my face and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then I do a spot treatment. Now, I do not do the mask every single day, but I can say when I first started off, I did the mask every single day. Then I did the benzoyl peroxide. I know I said that also wrong, but whatever. And then I did that every single day. It worked for me. Okay. Some may feel like it's overkill. I feel like if I do it now every single day, it's overkill. So I do the mask 3 times a week. But I do my spot treatment once per day. Okay. Then I go in with some niacinamide afterwards. So I let everything sit for 30 seconds before I put the next one on, except for the mask that I had earlier. But let's talk about how skin can make you feel. You guys, I did not like taking pictures. I did not want to be in no videos or anything. Like, I just felt so down, and my skin would always itch, especially my forehead. Like, I was working on that first, and I think I let the mask sit on my forehead the most. And after about 3 weeks of using my skincare regimen, I saw improvement. Like, I literally saw improvement. Let me show you a photo 3 weeks later. So this one was actually 3 weeks. Well, actually, it was 22 days when I looked at the dates from when I started. And this one was a month after that, you guys. Look how my skin improved. Oh my gosh. Like, that's why I'm dancing. And I actually saw Yandy. So all credit to her. She always danced when she did her skincare. And I'm like, okay, yeah, it works, y'all. It really works. So if you want me to do a more detailed video of the products that I use, like, I'm leaving links below, but I can do more detail. I just let me know. Leave a comment below. And you guys, I am happy. So I just had to dance it out once I was done using my CeraVe moisturizer. The only thing that does not break me out afterwards. And of course, use some sunscreen. Alright, y'all. See y'all in my next video. Bye.